Hi students, welcome on the session of 28th April, and our second chapter's last topic is feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding means खाना, खाने के बाद डाइजेस्ट करना. वही हम पूरे चैप्टर में पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन, व्हाट आर ऑर्गन्स कनेक्टेड विद डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम और एलिमेंटरी कैनाल. So we had learned in human. After that we had learned in animals. They were known as rumen. Yes, ruminants. Okay, ruminants. After that we are watching feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is one type of microorganism. Now that word is I know new for you. Microorganism. Micro means small and organism means living organism. So microorganism means the organism which can't be seen by our naked eye. मतलब कि हम डायरेक्टली आँख से वायरस देख सकते हो, कोरोना देख सकते हो? नो. Bacteria you can see? No. So amoeba is also one type of microorganism that is microscopic structure. मतलब कि उसको ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए, to observe the microorganism we need to use microscope. हमें क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? माइक्रोस्कोप यूज करना पड़ेगा, उससे हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. So amoeba is single celled microorganism found in pond water. अभी amoeba कहाँ पे फाउंड होता है? पॉन्ड वाटर. पॉन्ड वाटर you know ना what is pond water? तालाब का पानी. So amoeba is single cell. Single cell मतलब कि unicellular and multicellular. What is unicellular? What is multicellular? Unicellular means which has one cell only in the whole body, and multicellular means which has two or more cell, more than two cell. We are multicellular. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर कितने सेल्स होंगे? बहुत सारे सेल्स ज्वाइन होके टिश्यू बनेगा ना. So this amoeba is only single cell. उसको कितना सेल होगा? one cell होगा. That's why it's called unicellular or single celled. We are multicellular. So amoeba is single celled microorganism found in pond water. Now first of all we will see the structure of amoeba. What we will see? Structure of amoeba. After that we will see digestion in amoeba. So structure in that amoeba has no any kind of particular shape. Shapeless है. उसका shape कैसे भी change हो जाता है. कैसा भी हो सकता है. Irregular shape. Sometime it can be like this, 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 sometime it can be like this. No particular shape. Is irregular shaped microorganism. So any kind of structure I have drawn here. आफ्टर दैट सिंगल सेल. सेल के अंदर क्या होगा? न्यूक्लियस होगा. न्यूक्लियस मतलब सेंटर. सेंटर में जो थिंग सिचुएटेड होती है उसको बोलेंगे न्यूक्लियस. सेंटर ऑफ द सेल इज नोन एज न्यूक्लियस. सो अमीबा हैज वन न्यूक्लियस. दिस इज फूड वैक्यूल. फूड वैक्यूल मतलब कि स्पोर्स जैसा होगा, होल जैसा होगा, उसके अंदर फूड जाएगा. बट फूड कैसे जाएगा? दैट प्रोसेस वी विल सी आफ्टरवर्ड. सो यू जस्ट रिमेंबर फूड वैक्यूल. फूड वैक्यूल मीन्स द स्पेस और पोर्स which grasp the food particle from the outside. Whenever amoeba smells of food or get sound of food कि यहाँ पे food है ऐसा sense होगा तभी. So this food vacuoles, it can be more than two. Nucleus only one, cell. Cell एक होगा तो nucleus भी एक ही होगा. Obviously single celled. Cell membrane. Outer covering of the cell is known as cell membrane. Suppose कि ये outer covering है, so this is membrane. Suppose inside of stuffing I am feeling and this is outer covering, तो उसको बोलेंगे membrane. Okay, so cell membrane. After that cytoplasm. What is the meaning of cytoplasm? This dot 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 are cytoplasm. Dots dot dots are not cytoplasm. And cytoplasm means one type of jelly-like structure. Jelly-like structure. Jelly-like structure liquid form में jelly जैसा structure होगा. Cytoplasm इन द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर और आउटर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस के बाहर और सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर जो भी जेली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है इज नोन एज साइटोप्लाज्म. फूड वैक्यूल्स, दैट इज वन टाइप ऑफ पोर्स और होल्स इन दैट food particle can take place for the further digestion. So this all were about the structure of amoeba, and it changes its shape and position continuously. Amoeba changes its shape and position continuously. It's single cell microorganism found in pond water. Microorganism means we have to use microscope to observe the amoeba. It cannot be seen by our eyes. If you will use magnifying glass, then also it will not be visible. And this all about structure. That nucleus means center of the cell. Cell membranes means outer covering, and jelly-like structure under the cell membrane and outside of the nucleus, that is cytoplasm. ये सब का वर्क क्या होता है? टू हेल्प इन डाइजेशन एंड टू हेल्प इन द रीजनरेशन एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ अनदर अमीबा फ्रॉम द वन अमीबा. मीन्स पेरेंट अमीबा में से क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अमीबा की बनेगी उसका. So this all about the structure. Now we will see the digestion, how it will get food, what is the pseudopodia, and what is the digestion, what is the multiplication in amoeba. So we have seen structure of amoeba. Now we are on the digestion in the amoeba. Amoeba is microorganism. For that we have to use microscope, which we cannot see by our direct naked eye. Single cell. Inside of that we have seen nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, and food vacuole. So labeling I have done here only on the first stage, and this everything you can take screenshot, because this particularly these all stages are not given in the textbook. I have made for you for your better understanding, so you can understand very well. That's why I have done this. This is not given in the textbook, so please take screenshot first of all. Okay, now फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, ये 4 स्टेज में हम सीखेंगे डाइजेशन इन द अमीबा, दैट इज माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, सिंगल सेल्ड. So nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, food vacuole. In the one only I have given labeling. Here if I'll give labeling, then it will become messy for you. So remember only. In previous we have done only. First of all, this is amoeba. No any particular shape. Position also continuously it can change, and shape also it changes frequently. So no any issue about कि यहाँ पे shape अलग है, यहाँ पे shape अलग है. Okay. Whenever amoeba get the smell or sniff of food, it go towards the food particle. Suppose here food particle is there, so amoeba came here. Okay, amoeba came here. Why? Because amoeba want to take food. Because without food, no nourishment, no nutrition, no growth. So that's why we are taking food to release the energy and to get energy. Okay, so right, amoeba will come toward the food particles when amoeba gets sniffs or any kind of senses or smell of food, get near to the food particles. After that it create fit, false fit. It creates the fit like structure. This is not actually fit, ये leg नहीं है, ये इसके पैर नहीं है. It creates fit like structure, fit जैसा structure. Okay, so it create fit like structure known as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means fit. मतलब कि एक्चुअली ये फिट नहीं है, ये जो दोनों है एक्चुअली वो फिट नहीं है, but it creates fit like structure, leg like structure, and pseudo. That's why we are telling pseudopodia, false fit. Temporarily it create false fit. After that it will again become disappear. So permanent hand है, leg है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, no structure, no shape. So it creates fit like structure, pseudopodia, false fit. What is the meaning of pseudopodia? False fit. So it creates a false fit to take in food particle. फूड पार्टिकल को इनटेक करने के लिए यहाँ से फूड पार्टिकल अंदर चला जाएगा. सपोज दिस इज फूड पार्टिकल, इट विल गो इनसाइड एंड अगेन दिस विल क्लोज एंड इट विल अगेन चेंज इट्स शेप. So will create pseudopodia. After, you can see here, it has taken food inside. Okay, food inside, ingested food. What is the meaning of ingestion? Means to process to take food inside, that is ingestion. Ingestion अंदर लेना, so intake of food. So here food particle जो था that amoeba has taken inside, and that food false fit pseudopodia disappear. So here disappear of false fit. So ingested food in vacuole. vacuole जो थे vacuole के अंदर food चला गया. Take ingested मतलब take in for nutrition or nourishment. That is the third step. तो पहले क्या किया, food particle आया, food particle के पास गए, it has created pseudopodia means false fit, temporarily basis पे fit create किया. After that it is taken food, means it has taken food particle inside of the body of amoeba. Now fourth and last, अंदर लेने के बाद क्या होगा, digestion. So here digestion will occur, but what's about the waste? Waste also need to clear out from the body, need to take out from the body. So ingested waste after digestion, after taking the all necessary nutrients in the amoeba, ingested waste मतलब unnecessary waste, it will remove out from the body of amoeba. It will remove out itself by the body, from its body. Ingested means to remove. Ingested and ingested, please don't get confused. Ingestion take in and ingested means remove waste. यहाँ पे food अंदर लेंगे, यहाँ पे waste remove करेंगे. Difference clear? Ingested and ingested. So ingestion in the food and ingestion of वेस्ट का इजेशन होगा, इंजेशन फूड का होगा. सो इजेस्टेड वेस्ट will remove out from the amoeba's body by itself and after that इसका क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. मतलब कि यहाँ से वो दोनों जो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गए, इट विल डिवाइड इन 2 पार्ट एंड इट विल मल्टीप्लाइज एंड इट विल ग्रो सेपरेटली. इट विल डिवाइड, पहले क्या होगा, हाफ हो जाएगा. शेप कोई प्रॉपर नहीं है, कभी भी कुछ भी चेंज कर सकते. सो इट विल डिवाइड इनटू 2. आफ्टर दैट 2 विल ग्रो सेपरेटली. मतलब कि यहाँ से जो डिवीजन हुआ तो अगेन न्यूक्लियस इसमें भी डेवलप होगा, न्यूक्लियस विल डेवलप इन दिस ऑल्सो. सो दे विल ग्रो सेपरेटली. अगेन दे विल सीक द search of food particle. Again they will create pseudopodia, they will take nutrition, again they will grow, multiply, again they will take nutrition from the food particle, again they will digest, means again they will remove waste, and this all process continues. So this all were about digestion in amoeba. We have seen digestion in human, after that we have seen in animal, ruminants, and in microorganism. This everything with daily to daily class. I am sending one another video of as a revision. Today also I have completed here our second chapter. Now we will see the exercise and you will learn. You will go through video again and again, and after completion of exercise we will start new chapter. So hope so you understood this everything, and this everything is going smoothly. Thanks for your cooperation. Stay tuned with me.